right? So this gives you an understanding of what kind of keywords people essentially look for. So for the most generic keywords, for the most high competition keywords, here they are, right? Plumbing services, emergency plumber, draining plumber, water heater repair. If you do any keyword research within the keyword planner tool within Google Ads, you're going to see that these, like the clicks themselves, can be anywhere from $20 to $40 just a click. We're not even talking about conversion. We're not even talking about a phone call. We're talking about just a click on the keyword itself. Then you also have the city related keywords. So basically, the keyword itself multiplied by the city itself. So it could be plumbing services Chicago, plumbing services Dallas, plumbing services Miami, plumbing services Denver, et cetera, et cetera. It's not a new strategy. It's been around for forever. So don't be surprised if those keywords are expensive as well. But at least you're hyper targeting towards the specific cities that you want to cover, right? And then the last one is branded keywords. Now, branded keywords are much lower competition because, a lot of people are simply looking for billing or rescheduling, or they're looking to complain or whatever it is. But you can still target them. It's still a very much an option there. Just keep your costs low as well, and understand that these are not the highest converting keywords, but they do convert. Like I've had keywords that converted on lots of brand names, and they've converted. And I look at the call, and I see the transcript, and I can see like these are very good calls that come in, even though they're on branded keywords. But conversion rates, a little bit of a balance there as well. So keep that in mind. So in this case, I believe our campaign was specifically for city names. So we're gonna actually do plumbing service plus city. So there we go. We're gonna do that, and actually we're gonna shorten it even more. We'll do plumber plus city, and there you go. So these are very well-known keywords. They're not going to be anything spectacular that you're going to figure out. But some of the other keywords you can also try multiplying by is toilet repair Denver, toilet repair Atlanta, toilet repair Las Vegas, toilet repair Boston. There's less traffic, but if you're able to include the city name there in the keyword as well, it can increase your potential relevance as well, right? So for now, we're just going to do plumber Las Vegas, or plumber city name. We're going to go back to our campaigns. We're going to paste them in. Boom, done. Right? There's our keywords.